Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we have an exciting review for you, the Ergonomic Pink Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This product promises to deliver comfort, style, and functionality all in one package.
Let's start with an overview of this combo.
It's a wireless keyboard and mouse set in a beautiful pink color. The keyboard features a full-size layout with a numeric keypad, making it perfect for work and productivity tasks. The mouse is ergonomically designed for comfortable use, and it's wireless too, so you can say goodbye to those annoying cords. One of the standout features of this combo is its ergonomic design. The keyboard comes with an integrated palm rest, ensuring that your wrists stay comfortable during long typing sessions. The ergonomic mouse is designed to fit the contour of your hand, reducing strain and promoting a natural grip.
Say goodbye to tangled cords and enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity.
Both the keyboard and mouse connect using a single USB receiver, and the setup is a breeze. The reliable wireless connection works within a range of 10 meters, giving you flexibility in your workspace. The keyboard features low-profile silent keys, offering a soft and quiet keystroke experience. Typing is a pleasure, and the low noise level is perfect for shared workspaces or late-night work sessions.
Plus, there are multimedia keys for adjusting volume and other functions with a single click.
The keyboard and mouse are energy efficient, requiring only 2 AAA batteries each. They automatically enter sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity, ensuring longer battery life.
You won't have to worry about constant battery replacements.
This combo is not just about functionality, it's also about style.
The pink color adds a touch of elegance and personalization to your workspace. If you want your setup to stand out, this is a great choice.
The combo is compatible with USB-enabled computers and laptops running Windows systems.
It's versatile and can be a great addition to your home or office setup.
In conclusion, the Ergonomic Pink Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo is a fantastic addition to any workspace. With its ergonomic design, wireless convenience, and stylish pink color, it offers both comfort and aesthetics. If you're looking for a reliable and eye-catching keyboard and mouse combo, this one is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Ergonomic Pink Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of top-notch products.
Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next review.